Hey, what's up guys? Today's video we're going to show you how to remove the mechanical fan, the clutch fan assembly from a Magnum engine. It could be in a Dodge, it could be in a Jeep, it could be in a number of vehicles. In this case it's in a Dodge Dakota, but it could also be in a Dodge Ram, in a number of vehicles, and also probably some of the different Magnum engines that they had available. So we're going to show you our attempt to try it with just regular tools. We tried putting a bit more tension on the belt and try striking a wrench with a hammer, but didn't work. But we ended up finding out a way that you guys can do it without having to buy any tools, just with simple tools that you guys can rent and then go back and exchange, and it gets the job done, and it makes it way more easy and a lot less headache and stress to get it off. So let's get into today's video. We got John helping us today.
Once more.
Again. And these are the two tools we rented. So they didn't have like a tool specifically for the clutch fan to hold the water pump pulley. But we got one of these. It was a 3-point like holder. I think it's like for a clutch, AC clutch. But we ended up doing is renting this tool, and we're going to use just these 2 points of contact. And we put in 2 bolts that you can see like that, because they had these long pegs. I think John has them over there. Yeah, they had like these long pegs that you use for a AC clutch, and we didn't have enough depth. So what this is gonna do is, if you look on the front there, see those holes? This tool will now actually fit in like that. So this tool is gonna fit in, it'll sit in there and it'll hold this pulley. So we'll get this in there like that. And then the other kit, which comes with a bunch of huge wrenches like that, it's got this one, which is the correct size for us. So you slip this over top of your nut, and then we can also attach a 1/2-inch bar on here to make it even longer. Not only that, but you might be wondering, on this little handle here, we found the end of a jack handle right there. Actually will slip over top of this perfectly as well. So wish us luck. Hopefully we don't struggle too much. We're gonna attempt it. We haven't tried loosening it for you guys yet, just so you guys can kind of see how much we struggle or not struggle, and then we'll go from there. We're in there good?
Yep. Oh wait, you're getting stuck on the bolt. Yeah.
Is that it?
Was it?
Oh, this flipped or said something weird. Like that. Oh, that's it.
That was it.
Wow. Dude, that was so good. All right, I think you can let your tool out.
Okay.
That worked wicked. I thought we were gonna be
I
struggling.
think we rented it. Do I have to hold it still?
No, let's see.
No.
We thought we were like slipped. What the heck?
All right.
Dude, I'm so happy we got that off. So that worked out way better than I could have ever imagined. So just for reference, you guys, it is normal threads on here. So this is going to be to loosen it. You can see the nuts now turning. So we're loosening it, we're taking it off, and that worked wicked. Like between those 2 bars, like what, we barely put any.
Way too easy.
Yeah, it was super, super easy. So I don't know the history on this truck. I don't know if it's been off or maybe we just got lucky, but she's coming off here in a second. I'm probably gonna have to use 2 hands to grab it in just a second.
That's the easiest thing we've done on this truck.
Seriously. Do you want to grab this?
What?
Just hold it, because you don't want it to fall off. One thing, just so you guys know, is you might get carried away and excited like we were, but I've heard horror stories of people taking this off and not holding it, and the weight of it actually punctures their rad. So it's kind of like a sweet ending to your story. So we're just gonna continue to do this. I don't know if we can sneak it out the top. I'll let you know in a second if it comes out, but we might have to take the shroud out with it.
That's what I was thinking. Nah, I don't think it's gonna come out.
No?
No, it's getting stuck right here.
We almost got it at the top, but I don't want to mess this up, and you guys probably wouldn't either, depending on if it's a nice truck or not. I'm gonna remove the shroud. We're taking off this shroud, just so you guys know. We're taking it off regardless. It's just held on by 10 mil bolts. There's 4 of them. So I'm gonna remove them with a ratchet. We'll take out the 10 mils, take this whole plastic shroud out at the same time.
No, it's not. It's like
Dude, it looks like
This thing weighs like 30 pounds, dude.
Okay, so the fan is off. As you can see, here is the fan shroud. So like I said, just 4 bolts that hold it in, 2, 3, and 4. And that thing comes off, and then we gain a ton of room in here. Also like to mention, on the AC clutch holding tool that we used 10 mil bolts. So the 10 mil head bolts, it's a 6 mil thread, and we just used nuts on the back. They're probably about 3/4 of an inch long. So that's what we ended up doing. This worked perfect. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. So I'll link those products in the description below that you guys can use or go rent. So those tools, like I said, we rented them from AutoZone. It was a free rental. You just have to kind of put money down. We can go right back and return them. So pretty cool that we can just rent those for free and get the job done. But honestly, if you didn't have those tools, it would be a lot harder than that. And sometimes those can be hard, but the amount of leverage that we had on those, it was super easy to get off. Again, it's normal threads, it's not reverse threads. You can take the clutch fan off, replace it if that's what you're doing, or if you're converting to electric fans. Check out, I'll also link that video in the description below. So we'll have a separate video on converting to electric fans, which I'll link down below. But if you guys want to check that out, click on that link. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of content on the channel, a lot more on the way. And also check that join button below. You can join for Team Boosted Motorsports, and there's a bunch of perks on that as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.